fuck you laughing at?
Your mama?
And bro, you just got pranked, bro. Hey, move the camera, bro. Yeah. So you're right there, dude, bro.
You fucking crash right now. Are we ready?
She ready to go to the gym or something.
It's like watching a nature show. I'm gonna go approach you.
Fuck off.
We can do state lake. So for all mine, you live in your toilet.
Oh yeah, slap it. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Follow Kurai. Mother Nature is healing. Look at this. Beach. Take it all in. Right in his face. So we're at the beach right now, and we're about to, yes, what this guy said, Boost, I don't know if you can see him, what Boost said right there. Anyway, we're gonna bury Kurai right now. He's right there. We're gonna bury him in a little bit. What do you think they're talking about? They're so relaxed. Yo, what the dog doing? No, look, I'm being serious. Look behind you. What the dog doing? What it doing though? Yo, the dog, oh, look at him. Pull off, hot dog. Clouds are looking bad. The weather is too. Holy shit, that's scary. We gotta dip potato chip out of there. What if we all just go to McDonald's and I'll get a BTS meal? He choked up at that idea. He's like, oh, hell no. Sir?
Whoa. Break the screen. Do that editing thing where your screen's broken now because I punched you.
The vibe check guy. What the hell was that?
Have him record me and just do that thing.
Look at him! I didn't even go notice.
Alright. Oh, they're staying in my pocket.
Yo, you like it, huh? Flip was away.
Flip was away! Alright, bro! Shit. Ah, what the f. Well, despite all odds, we made it to Buffet City. Oh, this looks so fucking good on camera, too. Oh, you're already digging in. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. I got Mountain Dew. We're waiting on everybody else. Hey, guys. Whoa, that's a lot. Well, at least I got my Mountain Dew.
I got that lean.
What's up?
Who's All Might's teacher?
Oh my god, oh, I get it now. It's a good movie. JJ and the Jet Plane. What the heck? My shirt. What movie we gonna watch? Oh yeah. Ow. Ah! Damn it, he slipped! Ivan, you wanna explain to the audience what we're doing now?
I'm cutting off cat because he's good as hell.
He has something called Roll.
Roll, his brother was Roll, like in Mega Man.
Rock and Roll.
Rock and Roll, for those that don't get the reference.
You hear it?
Oh, say hi to the camera.
Beans.
Remember, right? You appeared in that one video, the Tony Hawk one, remember?
Toe beans.
He doesn't care.
Toe beans. Look at the toe beans.
Hey, you're gonna get him to fucking hurt me. Don't.
His face.
You don't like the camera.
You better put me down, Boost.
He likes my
Caboose, who's also Kaboody.
Oh yeah, Kaboody. We were talking about that the other day on stream, Kaboody.
Oh, so fucking day.
Yeah, he looks at me like, get that camera on my face, boy.
He looks like he's gonna murder you.
He does. Cats are always
I
assholes.
came here, right, once, like after work, his cheek was swollen, his fucking face was bleeding, and I'm like, what the fuck? Took off my shirt, ripped it, fucking just you know, like, I guess it was this paw, right? And he just, like, obviously I don't want him to bleed anymore.
Yeah. So what'd you do then?
And we had to take his ass to the vet.
Fuck, man. Good cat. Good. Why is he like so angry at me? Why are you staring, bro?
He's tired of your shit.
I know he is.
He's like, get that fucking camera out.
Get that. Hey, Rocco, look at the camera for a second. Cut my shit, boy. He's curious at the camera. He's very curious. People love cats. That's a proven study.
It wasn't gonna hit you.
I know. I was scared though.
You should have drawn that.
I know.
Drama queen.
That's pretty good.
That was alright, but then I put it
Did you guys have a good day at the beach?
I did.
No, big, don't answer. You can answer yours.
I'm asking you now. Could you have a good day at the beach?
Yeah, we did.
Good. And just like that, we are back home. Today was a lot of fun. If you guys enjoyed like these wacky adventures that we have, make sure that you guys follow our other vlogs as well, as we do this like as much as we can whenever we hang out. I bring my camera and I like to edit these videos, and you guys really enjoy this as well. So thanks everybody for hanging out with us tonight. I'll see you guys next time. This is your boy Hansel 82. Thanks for coming along, guys. This is an awesome day. Everybody had fun at the beach, and we had a good time at the buffet, and we had a good time eating in general. So it was an awesome. Thanks for hanging out with us. Make sure to check the other vlogs and everybody else's socials down below. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as it helps the channel grow. Go click on another video. Check out the other vlogs I posted. We've done about a few other ones, so go check them out up here or wherever they are. Thanks everybody. I will see you next time. This is your boy Hansel 82 signing off. Until next time, bye bye. Bye bye. 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 You can leave. Or not. That's fine. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Go comment, favorite, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Twitch. Do it now. Do it. Do it. Your mom.